Hello, my name is Fabiana Moran. This is my presentation for Dr. Amir's class, Horticultural Sciences. The speech is on the white twine vine native to South Florida.
Hi, my name is Fabiana, and this is on the presentation of white Twinevine. I'm filming this presentation at my friend's local garden, and she has the milkweed family species, so helping pollinator interactions here in the south of Florida. Thank you. Hi,
The general purpose is to provide information for horticulturalists on the South Florida plant and to explain some of the plant's history, botany, and propagation methods. My goal is to highlight the role white twine vine plays in its ecosystem, its ornamental and medicinal uses. That clip was of the vine in its natural habitat. As you can see, lots of beautiful bundles form, and it grows here in the south of Florida. This plant is native to the Florida Peninsula, ranging from central to South Florida, all the way down to the Keys. It is observed in swamps or wetland edges, which is pretty common here in Florida, and it blooms throughout the year. It ranges in the hardiness zone map on group 9B through 11. So in the warmer climates, this plant can grow. And it's a perennial. It is also in the family of the Apocycaceae, relative to the dogbane or milkweed family, which I will go into more detail about later.
Apocynaceae. Apocynaceae. Apocynaceae.
That was just a quick demonstration of how to pronounce the family name. And here I'm talking about this plant's propagation methods. It can move through the wind and hopefully find some water to start developing. And it has different vine clusters along the stem, similar to succulent plants, and has a variety of lengths from 20 to 30 feet long, and it's an evergreen. So it's best to grow this type of vine in full sunlight to partial sunlight with a soil pH that is alkaline to mildly acidic for optimal growth. And as it is a perennial, the plant will grow to maturity and regrow the following year. So you can plant it once and it won't die like an annual. And it is a wonderful larva host plant for monarch queens and soldier butterflies. This is essential to benefit pollinator interactions, and pollinator interactions can also benefit harvest production yields as they can help activate the plants. The medicinal properties of this species is mainly used in the Jamaican Caribbean islands for recoveries of colds. So pretty basic uses, and lovely to see how people can make use of organic materials.
Hello, my name is Fabiana Moran. This is my final presentation project for Introduction to Horticultural Sciences. I'm going to be talking about the white twine vine. The topic of this speech is to inform horticulturists on the local South Florida vine and able to explain the plant's biological history, botany, and propagation methods. This plant is a family of the Apocycaceae, relevant to the dogbane and milkweed family. As this plant is a seedling, it will try to reproduce through wind and water absorption and has different variety of shapes within its flowers. So there's different kinds of leaf shapes, and this has a more triangular with little circular buds around 5 per flower for leaves and buds. The physiology of this plant includes being an amazing host for larvae and caterpillar species. It can be a host to monarch, queen, and soldier butterflies. This is optimal because it's essential for nectar sources for bees and wasps. Caterpillars are able to feed on the plant because of its milky texture releases. And some of this plant's medical purposes are used in the Jamaican islands by people to recover from colds. That was my presentation on the white twine vine. Thank you.
And these are the references I used: the Florida Wildflower Foundation, the Florida Native Plant Society, and Backyard Nature newsletter. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Have a wonderful day.